Hello sparkly peoples of the interwebs, my name is Ashleigh and welcome back to Hello Sparkles. Today we're making some pretty cheap ghost for your yard using a tomato cage, a bell cloche from the Dollar Tree, some foam circles from the Dollar Tree, a party plastic table cover from the Dollar Tree in the round, some scissors, a hot glue gun. Also, don't forget to cut out your face pieces, your eyes, 2 eyes and a mouth out of some black cardstock, and lights. Don't forget your lights. First, I started off by cutting off the edge of the bell cloche just so it doesn't stick out underneath the tablecloth. Then I took the round foam circle and stuck it to the top to kind of stabilize it more, and then I closed the top of the bell cloche. I hope I'm saying that right. And then I just put some hot glue on top of the tomato cage and glued that in place. I took the lights, and make sure when you're doing these, don't do it like I did. I did them backwards, and I could have taken them off and fixed them, but I chose not to. Make sure that you put the male part of the plug towards the bottom so you have a longer piece there. I just left them in a bunch and kept them like that and used the twist tie to attach them to the cage in the back side of my ghost. Then I took the tablecloth and spread it out fairly evenly over the top of it, and then glued the face in place once I had it where I was going to keep it at. I only glued it down after I set the ghost up. You can see here that I used some rocks to weight it down so the wind doesn't blow it. I chose not to glue everything down to the top of this because I wanted to be able to take it apart and use it for Christmas trees for Christmas season. So here's my yard so far. All these tombstones we made ourselves, my dad and I, and my son and my husband helped us put out in the yard and decorate our yard. And yeah, I really love how these turned out. They're super cheap, great, easy DIY, even without lights. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Okay, bye.